AVADE Personal Safety Training Incorporated safety rules. The first rule of training equals safety. Number 1, weapons-free environment. No weapons are allowed anywhere in the training area. Your instructor will advise you in proper procedures in securing weapons and ammunition. Follow your agency policy and procedures. Number 2, remove jewelry. Any jewelry with sharp edges, pins, or raised surfaces, or jewelry that encircles the neck should not be worn during a class which involves hands-on training. Number 3, no horseplay rule. Any participant who displays a disregard for safety to anyone in the class will be asked to leave the class. Your agency has signed off on the curriculum and the associated techniques. Do not practice unauthorized techniques. Number 4, the pad-out rule, which is used for partner techniques. Upon hearing, feeling, seeing the pad, the person applying the technique or defense technique will immediately release the pressure of the technique to reduce the discomfort and/or pain. All techniques will be immediately released on instructions from the instructor or when a safety monitor says release, stop, or words similar to them. Number 5, be a good guy and be a good bad guy. Essentially, this means working together with your partner when practicing the techniques. Without cooperation while practicing self-defense or defensive control techniques, time is wasted and injury potential is increased. Work together to learn together. As the bad guy, allow your partner to focus on each fundamental step in the technique so your partner can be successful. As the good guy, don't go so fast that you miss a key step or potentially harm your partner, the bad guy. Work together to keep each other safe. Number 6, check equipment for added safety. Your instructor will check all equipment used during the training to ensure proper function, working order, and safety. 7, practice techniques slowly at first. Gain balance and correctness slowly before practicing with speed. Proceed at the pace directed by your trainer. You have a limited amount of time to focus on the fundamentals of each technique. Gain your balance and stability during each technique. Proceed at the pace directed by your trainer. Number 8, advise the instructor of any pre-existing injuries. Any injury or condition that could be further injured or aggravated should be brought to the immediate attention of your instructor and your partner prior to participating in any hands-on training. Acknowledge to yourself and the trainer that you know your limitations. Number 9, advise the instructor of any injury during the class. Any injury, regardless of what it is, needs to be reported to the primary instructor. 10, safety is everyone's responsibility. Safety is everyone's responsibility, and everyone is empowered to immediately report or yell out any safety violation or concern about safety. 11, training hazards. Always keep any items or training equipment and batons off the floor and out of the way. When not in use, they can be potential tripping or fall hazards. 12, safety markings. Colored wristbands or blue tape worn by any participant is the sign to warn of a pre-existing injury. Use caution with a partner who is wearing a colored wristband or blue tape. 13, stretching. Low-impact stretching from head to toe can prevent possible injuries and strains. When stretching, keep your eyes open, avoid jerking and bouncing, and don't forget to breathe. 14, trauma-informed care and leaving the training environment during the class. A word of caution, as some of the techniques we may cover can bring up feelings associated with trauma within yourself or your training partner. If you need to leave the class for an emergent call, to go to the bathroom, or any other reason, please advise the trainer conducting the class. We want to make sure you are safe in the classroom and outside of it.